I went to Walmart and I picked up 2 of these Disney Squishiers. We've got Winnie the Pooh and Mr. Buzz Lightyear. And there are 6 to collect. We've got Mickey, Minnie, Ariel, Stitch, Buzz, and Winnie the Pooh. So first up, we've got Mr. Buzz Lightyear. Ooh, I like these. Oh, it's double-sided. Look at this print. Then we've got Mr. Winnie the Pooh. Here's the other side with Eeyore and Tigger and Piglet. I really like these. I'm not going to get the whole collection or all 6 of them. These are really the only 2 that I want, but these are super cute.